Puppy Chow, also known as Muddy Buddies and a few other names, only takes a few minutes to make and is loaded with chocolate, peanut butter, and confectioner sugar. You can mix and match different flavors that Chex cereal offers to make this extra flavorful. Feel free to add in chocolate candies like M&ms or pretzels to make a Puppy Chow party mix. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add 9 cups of Rice Chex mix or Crispex to a large bowl. Feel free to use a combination of other flavors that Chex cereal offers. In a saucepan on a medium temperature, add unsalted cubed butter and stir the butter until it's completely melted. Add semi-sweet chocolate chips and continue stirring until they are mostly melted. Add creamy peanut butter and continue stirring until it's completely mixed in. This step is completely optional, but stir in vanilla extract to the chocolate mixture. I find that the vanilla extract gives the chocolate a really nice flavor. I prefer melting these ingredients on the stove, but you can also melt these ingredients in the microwave. I will have those directions in the video description below. Pour the chocolate mixture over the Chex cereal, covering the top layer of Chex. Use a spatula and start folding the chocolate into the cereal until all of the Chex is covered with chocolate. Make sure to get any Chex that is at the bottom of the bowl covered with chocolate. Pour the Chex into a large size resealable plastic bag. And add confectioner sugar. Make sure the bag is completely sealed. Shake the bag a few times until all of the Chex is completely covered with confectioner sugar. You can skip the resealable bag method and just add the confectioner sugar to the Chex in the bowl. Feel free to add more confectioner sugar if you feel like all of the Chex is not covered enough. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.